What's up, guys? It's August 15th, 2024. Had a bull trend day today. Daily chart, 45-minute. Bears had three legs lower, and then we had a big bull bar on August 8th with continuation, and it broke out of the EMA on the 13th, so 2 days ago. We saw follow through yesterday, and today we have another breakout. So we have a leg one, pullback leg two, pullback leg three. However, these are all still bull bars, and there's no previous bull bar breaking a low. So this can all be seen as one leg. I drew that trend line yesterday. But if we go down to lower time frames, we can see that yesterday was a form of a pullback. We still trended higher. So no opposite bars, no lows being broken. So this is all still one leg. However, this is a leg in trading range, breakout, channel, leg in trading range lower, and now we're going higher. Broke the 50% level from the swing high and swing low put in July 15th and August 5th. We're trading on the upper half, so we'll see what happens around the upper third. In the upper third of a trading range, so 1, 2, 3 is sell, do nothing, buy lower. Here's that trend line on 45-minute. So yeah, kind of nice. We'll see what happens tomorrow. It looks like we've had expansion, contraction, expansion, contraction, expansion. So we'll see here if we get a contraction. There's also a bull gap being put in. Got put in yesterday. Well, got put in today and yesterday. Right here. Let me delete this. Take this. Take this one. Is it locked? Oh, it's locked. Take this gap. Add it to the... If I can take this gap. Okay. Not the same height. A little smaller. The new gap on the daily being put in. And tomorrow, if this bar is made and it's a bull bar, that's something like this, that means there should be another gap. So 2 gaps is good. After the bar gets put in, we'll see. And there'll be a gap from here to here. Or tomorrow, maybe we reverse and reverse higher, closing. And so bulls would not be able to keep the gap open. Bears close it, and then we go more range bound. We're approaching the August 1st breakdown, the swing point. So July 24th, we had a leg lower, 2-legged pullback by the bulls, and then on August 1st, we broke down, sold off pretty hard for 3 days, and now we're reversing. So yesterday, we had a bull trend, consolidation. And today we have a gap up and continuation. Big gap up. Bar 1 is a bull bar, but it's a range bar, more tail than body. Give me 2 seconds here. So yeah, more tail than body. Had to clear my throat. Bar 2, bad follow through. It's a bear bar closing at the close of bar 1, so not the best for the bulls. Bar 3, bears get a leg lower. Bad close, it's closing above low ones. He's closing above bar 1's low, so it's not the best bear close. Bar 4, bulls reverse higher, so now it looks like we have a leg up, pull back, high 1. Bad follow through. We can expect more sellers above a high 1 than buyers. Market's breaking out. Bar 6, bar 7, market races higher and reverses trapping bulls. We have an outside down bar after a big gap up. Bar 7, follow through for the bears. This bad for the bulls. So now we have a leg 1 pullback here. Excuse me, did I say leg 1 pullback? We have a leg 1. Now we have a pullback. 10, follow through for the bulls. 11, trading at the high of bar 7. Trading right below the high of bar 7. When I said pullback, so what I was talking about was like this. And I was imagining a leg 1, pullback leg 2. Because the bears have a leg here. But then this bar sells off and reverses higher. So this is an outside bull bar after a gap up. Somewhat of a double bottom. I kind of see this as a wedge bottom. It's hard to see, but it's 3 pushes lower. 1, 2, 3. Or it could be 1, 2, 3. It's a wedge bottom, gap up. bar 10, follow through for bar 9. This is an outside bar, so outside bars are usually ranges, but today we have buyers above the high of bar 9, which is an outside bar. Bar 10, follow through, still buying at highs. The lows are trending, the closures are getting kind of weaker. Bar 12, market races, testing the high of bar 7 and reverses lower. However, it's a bull body, closing at the 50% level. Not the strongest bull bar. Bar 11's follow through. Bulls are starting to buy highs. It's not a good close above bar 12. We want to see a strong close, but instead it's just filling the tail. So we could still be within bar 12's range. Bar 13, again, not the best close. It's a bull body. All the lows are trending, so we have to keep that in mind. The close, it's a bull channel because we have a gap up. There's bull momentum, so we're trading above the higher time frame EMA with a gap up and a bull channel. We have to sell. This is a good channel for the bulls. 16 races up, filling bulls and sells off. Still a bull close, but a weak body. More tail. It's a range bar. Even though we see bull closes, we have to imagine like for the market to make this tail, it sells off. So we know there's two-sided trading in here, but it's weak. Bar 16, first bear bar after a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bar micro channel for the bulls. First opposite bar is bar 7, 16, 17, 18. Trend line break, so 17, 18 are breaking trend line. I was drawing legs today. I counted this as the first leg because that's the trend line break here. So leg 1, pull back. So excuse me, I said that wrong. So we have a gap up, bottom's made. We're breaking out leg 1. Bar 18 breaks the low. 19 breaking out. Every channel line break is a bull flag on a lower time frame. We have a bull flag breakout 19. Bad follow through 20, going sideways. Bear body at highs. 24, good breaking out of 20. Excuse me, did I say 24? 21, breaking out of 20's range. Good close is a trend bar. So trend bar, range, trend bar. Expansion, contraction, expansion. 21, we go more sideways, more tail. It's a range bar. However, look how many bear bars we've had. Since bar 9, we've only had 3 bear bars, and they've been very shallow. Like tails, very small bodies. So bulls are strong. This is a leg 2 move here. 22, bull body closing on its high, not above the high of 20. Excuse me, 23, bull body closing on its high, not above the high of 22 though. So these bull closers are not the strongest close, but it's trending higher. So at some point you have to buy the market even a small position. All the lows are trending. So right now we don't see it, but here's another trend line. So the way we could draw it to project would be just get 2 points here, 19, 20, and then that's projection. So we'll see what happens. Kind of like that. Trend lines don't have to be perfect. 23 breaks the trend line. Leg 1, pull back leg 2, trend line breaks. Now we're in the third leg. After a strong trend line break, depending on what leg we're on, where we are in the market cycle, it could be a good fade to the recent highs. So bulls that buy 25 are expecting a test of 24's high. 24, 25, 26. Bull bodies, candles have bull closes again. 27, that trend line break is met. Bulls are going for higher prices. 28, bull bar, bad follow through. We're not making a new high. The lows are trending. 29 is another bear body. We're starting to go more sideways now. We had trending. This is a weak. It's a good channel because we have a gap up, but the closes are weak, and it's starting to go more sideways from 18. It was weak closes. At news highs, we're going sideways. 30, good bear bar. So now we have a wedge top. I'm going to delete 24. Lines 20 bar. I'm going to draw this like this. I'm going to delete that. Leg 1, trend line break. Leg 2, trend line break. We're in the third leg here. Bar 30 breaks the trend line. So there you see leg 1, leg 2, leg 3. Bar 3 pushes. It's a form of a wedge top. Market goes sideways. Bears that try and short 30, they get filled, but it reverses. 31 is an outside bar. We can see it. 30's low is 54.25. 31's low is 53.75. So we can see it trade lower and reverse higher, trapping bears again. But more sideways price action with 31, 32, 33. Sideways price action. 34, bulls make a new high. 35, we're getting good closes now. Higher lows, stronger closes, less tail. 36, more sideways price action. So we get a couple bars sideways, 36, 37, third bear bar in a row. I think it's okay to get out of longs. The bear bars are getting bigger. Started off small. We're in the third, fourth leg now. So the bear bars are getting bigger. We have to think when we're in the third and fourth leg, is it trending or are we range bound? 39, testing the EMA first time today. That's about middle of the day. Bar 40 is middle of the day. So we have multiple gaps open. We're trending higher. We have a gap up. Bar 40 is not a good short. It's the first gap bar. Usually leads to a test of the recent swing high. And we get that. So 41 inside bar. 42 good follow through. 43 is a bear leg. 44 is another bear leg. Leg 1 pull back leg 2. Could be a second leg trap because for bears to short, we have to be in a range. If bears are shorting, we're not in a reversal. Excuse me. If bears are shorting, they're looking for a reversal, but it starts out as a range. So we have bull trend, channel, range, breakout. In ranges, second leg traps are a thing. So leg 1, pull back leg 2, second leg trap, 43. They get trapped with 45. 46, bad follow through for both sides. We start to go sideways, 47. Good bar, 48. Still a tail, but it's a bull body and a bull trend. 49, finally we get a trend bar. Not closing too high. 48. High is 61.25. 49's close is 61.50. So it closed by one tick. It closed higher by one tick. And it goes more sideways. 49.50. Bull body. 51. Sideways. 52. Another. So here's another flag. 51 breaks this trend line, and then 52 is another leg higher. 53, 54, 55. Bull bodies. So we're still getting higher lows. The lows are trending, so we can start to draw another trend line. You can see, the first leg is stronger and more bars. It took less bars to travel more in second legs. So this is also its own leg 1, right? So this is its own leg 1 right here. Breaks the trend line. Now the same setup I was talking about with this price action. We're looking for this price action. And second legs can have more bars and take longer to travel. There's less momentum. You can buy any of these bars for a scalp. 55 sideways, 57. Bears are going for a test of the EMA. 58 is a bull bar. 59 bear bar. Leg 1, pull back leg 2. 60 starting to trap bears. Bears that get short here don't get their scalp. Instead, they're trapped and they have to buy back shorts or short higher. Bull trend. Lots of gaps open. I think if you're shorting, you just have to get out and admit it's a bull trend and just wait for the next day or get long. 61 sideways, 62 more sideways, 63 is a trend bar at highs, and now we have another bull flag here. So here, trend line break, starting a new trend line. You guys see how leg counting is starting to work, how you count by trend line breaks and opposite bars. So, right, so here, I'm counting leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, but look, this is also its own leg 1, leg 2, leg 3. Leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. 63 is a bigger bar, so it could be climactic within this price action. Let's see what happens on 64. 64, more sideways, and now we have 3 pushes up here. You see how all these miniature structures are creating one major structure? Bears have that 2-legged pullback. It fails, creates a trap. That's a double bottom. And reverses higher, creating a new high. We're starting to get 3 pushes up. So the market could be coming climactic. 64, bears get that scalp, but you gotta be fast. It closes on its high, so not the best bear bar. Hard to scalp. I think it's better to buy the markets or just wait till tomorrow. 66, sideways. Bears not getting follow through. 67, strong bear bar, bad close. So what I mean by bear bar is that like it erased down. So it's a bear bar. It closed bearish, but it closed with a bear body, but has bullish tendencies because it reversed higher. So leg 1, pull back leg 2 for the bears. 67, there's that bear trap. All the bears that went short below the EMA are trapped, buying back shorts. Strong bar. 68, excuse me. 69 sells off. So now we're in the third leg. We see the wedge top. The market doesn't always reverse, but it is going more sideways than trending. Keep that in mind. If I was long above here looking for a test. I was very quick to get out. It was a break-even trade. I bought this bar and I got out as 76 was forming, so I maybe lost a point, but I got out pretty quick. So yeah, trapping bears, 670 bull bar, 71, follow through, 72, deep pullback, but it closes higher. Again, tails, 73. Another tail, but it goes outside. This is the trend bar, has more body. So we have range bars, trend bars, and late in the trend, late in the day, 72, 72, 74. Range bar going sideways at highs. Here's its own third, 3 legs up. 75, strong bear bar, 76, finally breaking up below EMA. It gets followed through with 77. Strong bull bar, first gap. So this is a 15-minute gap. This is a bear bar. So on the 15-minute chart, this is a gap bar. What do I mean by that? See? Okay, so I just combined. Okay, so I was looking at the internals here. This sells off and reverses higher. Bulls close the gap. First bear bar touching the EMA is a setup to recent highs. First gap is a setup to the gap close. And although bulls get bar 78, they don't actually get 2 closes above the gap. Actually, I lied. Hold on. 80 is closing right on the gap, but they want to see multiple closes. So see how bears put a gap in here? They get multiple closes, 48, 49, 50. That gap's closed. I'm going to zoom out just so you guys can see the structures I was drawing, and then I'm going to delete it and draw the gaps. You guys see all these legs? So leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, pull back leg 4. Reverses, we go range bound, right? So here's a range. Market cycle, what's the market cycle? Breakout, pull back channel. We channel for 3, 4 legs. Leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, pull back leg 4. On the fourth thing, we have to think we're at the high of the range. And we were at the high of the range. Sells off, creates a double bottom. And this is a range. This is all a range from bar 25 to bar 56, 54, 55. We were in a range. Breaks out, will ultimately go sideways, testing the middle of this range put in. Back to leg counting, leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, and then we went in a fractal zoom in, leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3 for the bears. For the bulls, they have an internal leg here, leg 1, pull back leg 2. Whoa, 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 whoa. That's out of control. Okay, so that's a bull leg. I'm just joking. I messed that up. So there's an internal leg here, and then there's a trend higher. If you're gonna be trading in the third and fourth legs with trend, you gotta be really fast to get out. Let's just do these gaps and then tie a ribbon on it. I'm pushing 20 minutes almost. Let me know how you guys are doing. Let me know if the invites to Discord are working. I guess it wasn't working this morning. Bush, if you're in, let me know. I saw someone join, but I wasn't sure if that was you or not. Say hi if that's you. So we have a big gap up. Bears are trying to close the gap. It fails. Bears put a gap in here. Low of bar 6, high of bar 9. High of bar 8. Bulls close that quickly. If bar 9 is not testing the high, definitely bar 10 and 11 are 2 closes above the gap. So I have to trend higher, 0 height micro gap. I'm going to draw these gaps in real quick because my voice is my throat is getting too talking. I don't know why, I'm talking too much. The gaps are getting filled in, no gap, here's a gap. That's a weak gap because it's 2 bear bodies, bear high, bear close. We want bull gaps. So this would be a stronger gap because it has the previous bars, bull, bull, bull. This is bear, bull, bear. So it's a weaker gap. 0 height gap here, 0 height gap right there. A 0 height gap is when 2 equal highs. Excuse me, give me 2 seconds, I'm gonna sneeze. This is 0 height gap. So look at the high of 24 is 55 even. The low of 27 is 54. So that's a negative gap. 27 trades 1 point lower. 0 height gap will have the first bar's high, same as the third bar's low. And it's just like they just meet. Bears get a gap here and it closes. You guys have seen 0 height. There's a 0 height gap right here. So the high of that bar is the same low as that bar. I think it's really good practice if you guys if you don't like gaps, you don't like gaps, that's fine. You know, gaps aren't the end all and be all. But at least do your own markups. If you like training legs, do some leg. They don't gotta be fast. If you don't like to draw and chart, like I don't like typing all day, I do the videos. So, find what works and stick to it and do it over and over again. Including that's with your trading, that's with the way you study, that's with the way. Oh my gosh, my nose is going crazy. Okay, I had to mute the mic. I was listening to and watching Relentless and Winning. I talk about those books a little bit. And one thing they say, Michael Jordan, not only did he play perfect, he played perfect because he practiced perfect. He has an effective routine for practicing. So find out what works for you and stick to it, because if you can make it a habit to study, you've just created like a winning circle. Some people's habits are bad, some people's habits are good. So that's up to you. Create the winning habit and then let it spiral. Don't fight it. Just let it spiral into a huge circle of you making money, and you have Lamborghinis and Maseratis. Anyways, that's how much money I hope you guys make. This much. And then I hope it breaks out and you guys make more money off the screen. Anyways, I hope you guys are doing good. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are doing your stop loss. Have a good one, guys. Keep saying hi. Keep talking to me. I like you. I appreciate the questions. Hope you guys are doing good. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Thank you for your support.